how to plan a route using Citymapper. Hi everyone, in this video I'll be showing you the ways to plan a route using Citymapper. So for that case, you have to install the app and make sure that your device is connected to an internet service. Go ahead and log in into your account. When you're logged in, go ahead and select the city in any place. Now just open up the Citymapper in any place in the world, and then you can just drag the map to the location where you want to walk to. So let's see that I'm gonna go with this one. So just tap on get me there, and when you do that, you can just go ahead and start from where you actually want to go to. So I'm gonna type in the address where I'm actually at, and then you need to enter in or provide in your destination. So type in. So after that, you need to go ahead and select the arrow icon located right over here, and from here you can go ahead and select whether you want to go to like walking, my cycle, or any wheel, whatever. And when you select that, now you can just plan a route using a Citymapper. So just tap the go button and then you can start walking. So that's basically how you can plan routes using Citymapper. And that is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.